This is a brand new 2013 Ford Taurus SHO. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include power-adjustable driver pedals, XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, a twin-turbocharged forced induction system, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, steering wheel mounted gear shifting, 12-volt power outlets, side curtain airbags, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, front and rear reading lights, a four-wheel independent suspension, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Andy Mohr Ford Lincoln is the place to find new Ford and Lincoln cars and trucks and pre-owned vehicles in Indianapolis. You can search our new and pre-owned inventory online, get new car pricing, and receive free no-obligation price quotes. Stop by and visit us today at 2713 East Main Street in Plainfield, or see us online at andymohrford.com.